That is Prehistoric Ruins, Casa Grande ruins. They're closed, so I can't go in. Alright, I thought I'd stop and check this out. So this is the Casa Grande ruins. It costs $10 to get in. They close at 5 p.m. and they are closed right now. So we are now going to go take Tinkerbell for a little walk, and then we're gonna go to Walmart. Probably stay there tonight. Oops. All right. Please like and subscribe. I want to thank all of you who have subscribed to me. I've got 353. Yay! And have a good night. There is Xena, the warrior princess, our trusty steed. And there's Tinkerbell inside there, and she's got to go potty. So we're gonna let her out. There's Xena, warrior princess. There's Tinkerbell. There's Tinker Stinker. Tinkerbell, where'd you go? Tinkerbell. Where's Tinkerbell? All right. Please like and subscribe. Peace.